I'm Mela, season Laxamana, and I have been working in the F&B industry since 2012. I am just a fun-loving person who likes to dress up, put on makeup, watch K-drama, go out with her friends, and drink coffee. That's me. That's really me at my core. What keeps me passionate about my job right now is, the innovation that comes with the job and with the brand that I'm with. Working with Deli by Chele, now on my 4th year with the brand. It's the innovation that comes, every month, coming up with new menu items, coming up with something new, a new campaign to launch and work on. That's where the excitement comes in. The feedback that we get from customers, we are able to take that into consideration and always put it first when we think of new things to launch. Perfectionist in the job, yes, it's part of it. Syempre, when you're handling a brand also, especially a brand that has a name already on its own, you can't help but be a perfectionist because everything has to be perfect. To me personally, it's really what we do for the job that makes it worthwhile. It's the heart and soul that I give to my work and to the brand that defines me more than just what I do. Taking care of myself and looking good is what I really give importance to outside of my job. I would actually regard fashion over pangay than what I really do on a day-to-day basis, because for me, it's really my passion also. It's a way of self-expression also. So for me, that's how I express myself. I am Mela, season Laxamana. I am a marketer. I am passionate, a fashion enthusiast, and I am more than my job.